Ay, nandito yung dalawa. Ayan. Sino yung mas malaking nakaupo? Ayan, nandito ba kayo? Or tingin-tingin so much Ate Liana, no? Tingin-tingin so. Palakpakan natin sa Ate Liana. And Ate Chef, very good. Right hair. Ay, sana pala tayo. Sana. Ayan. Kuya Judy mo question. Ayan, para na yung paano sa sayaw eh. Tingnan na si Ate Chef. Alright, sasayawin ni Ate Chef. Yung snapping like ganito. Ate Chef, sayaw ka. Music face. Tingnan si Ate Chef kung paano siya sasayawin. May asa ka sa YouTube.
Banana. Dance.
Ayan, no. Sige. Banana. Sige. Banana.
Tulong ka dyan. Dapat.
Ayan, and we have. Alright, thank you so much. Very good. Right there. Ayan, natanap mo na tayo, kids. And make a big circle. And make a big circle. Natanap mo na tayo. Ayan, kuya, James, ano? Make a big circle. Ayan, make a big circle. Then, go! Ayan, Ayan, Kuya, napalapakan naman natin si Kuya. Ano, kids? Party, sarap muna tayo, no? And I need to clear for these days. Ayan, sarap muna tayo. And make a big circle. Ayan, make a big circle. Then, go! Dito, sayaw! Ayan, gusto makita yung mga dalawa ng ating mga kids. Dito, susunod ang ating mga kids. Sino yung hindi nakaupo? And we have Ate Aki. Thank you so much, Ate Aki. No, palakpakan naman natin si Ate Aki. And Kuya Jun, very good, right? Ayan, make a big circle. Alright, make a big circle. Alright, stand up. This is not right. Alright, circle. Ayan, make a big circle. Then, go! Dance. Alright. And now let's remove the and we already have Tigers versus Asugwa again with the Swedish Tour winners. And now let's proceed and go! And now let's start! Wala pa. Dito!
Dong, sit na yun, Dong.
And dito tayo kay Kuya Ryder.